Let's learn how to do a double crochet stitch. I have made the foundation chain of 12 chain stitches. At the end of the first row, we will get 10 double crochet stitches. When placing the first double crochet in the chain, we always place it in the fourth chain from the hook. This is the first, second, third and fourth. We'll place it in the fourth chain. Now yarn over the hook from underneath the yarn and insert the hook into the fourth chain from the hook. Now yarn over again and pull through the chain loop only. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through only the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both the loops. This way you have made a double crochet stitch. These first 3 chain stitches count as the first double crochet unless a pattern says otherwise, and the double crochet you just made is the second double crochet. Let's make another double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the chain stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. This way we have made another double crochet. We'll do one more and then I'll tell you how to work the last double crochet in the row. Yarn over and insert hook into the next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through the chain stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. This is the 4th double crochet in the row, including the chain 3 stitch at the beginning. Now continue in the pattern and work a double crochet in every chain stitch till the end. This is how your first row of double crochet stitches should look like. While counting the double crochet stitches, you can either count the V stitches on the top or count the bars made by these stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th is the chain 3 at the beginning. So we have 10 double crochet stitches after we made a foundation chain of 12. To begin the second row, we actually chain 3 to meet the height of the double crochet row being worked. This chain 3 counts as our first double crochet stitch of the second row. Now we will work the second double crochet in the next stitch, not the first. It is already worked. Now turn your work. Yarn over and insert hook into the second stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Once again, yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch. you'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now continue making double crochet stitches and I'll tell you how to work into the last stitch. Our last stitch will be the chain 3 from the previous row. Counting from the bottom of the chain 3, we have this first chain, the second, and this is our third chain. We will insert our hook into this third chain to make the last double crochet stitch. This completes our second row of double crochet stitches. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have 10 double crochet stitches in the second row as well. Now simply repeat the pattern instructions for the second row in order to work the next rows.